have a little treat for you in the Pokeball. Come here. Amelia? Hey, baby. Look at that. Oh, my God. Amelia. Oh, 1 second as I try to catch it. You're just gonna have to, get back here. There we go. I got him. You can't run away. Amelia, look at this. Look at this. Oh. Vroom, vroom. Here comes the airplane. Come here. Come here. Eat the lizard. Ah. Oh, hi. Hello, mister. Hello, little man. I kind of feel bad now. Slay. Amelia, do you want to eat this lizard? The lizard's just dealing with this. He is not happy. Amelia, come eat him. I have a tweet. Amelia. Psst, psst, psst. Come here. Come here. Whee! This lizard is not having it. Oh my God. Whee! This lizard's not happy right now. I'm threatening to feed it to a cat while playing around with it. Am I a psychopath? Anyway, Amelia, come here, I have a treat for you. This is Mr. Lizard. Do you want Mr. Lizard? Do you... He went on my hand weird. He's right there, baby. Go get him. Come on, go get him. Good job. I'll move your water bowl for you. Let's just... Wow. I'm like, he's... Amelia. Amelia. He's over there. Oh, God. Go get him. Go get him, baby. Go get him. Here, I got you. I'll help you. I'll be assisting. Oh, God. He's under there further now. Oh, I think... Oh, he's over there. Oh. Okay, good job. Good job, Amelia. Good job. Good job. Go get him. Go get him, Tiger. He's still over there. Amelia, are you really? Amelia, do I need to do everything for you? I got it. Oh, there you go. Come on. Really? Where did he go? Is he hot? What the fuck did that? Did the lizard cereal? Oh, no matter. My cat found him. Yeah, my baby found him. Come on, baby. You got it. Kill the lizard. No, never mind. You're just playing with a piece of metal. My baby. Stinky little baby. You need a shower. Stinky little baby. Oh, there's water on the floor. But yeah, I think my cat successfully lost the lizard, and so did I. He's been released. Amelia, return!